Happy solar eclipse. New moon. Number 17 might be significant for some of you. This is extreme energies. This is the peak I'm hearing. This is the peak. Quite literally, this is the peak of fears. Thank you for the confirmation. This eclipse is, by definition, darkness, hiding the sun just for a period. Like this shadow is overwhelming, and I came here on your path today to help regulate, because it's all about regulation. And I'm seeing the sun coming back now. A lot of tears and throat liberation regarding your needs, what it is that you want and do not want anymore in your life, regarding your fears. It could be very hard where you are, or you're just transmuting a lot at this time. I'm hearing a plane, and you can also, this is the symbolic of elevation. And this massive, giant chaos before order is nothing that you have ever experienced before. Literally. And this is funny because it's very low, like this plane, and it's white completely, as the symbol, like this is what I received when it was just above me, symbol of peace, over shadow, over darkness. This is the ultimate peak for your fears. And this is a test from God regarding how you pass this test. If you have enough courage, and we keep having this energy because it's so difficult when you are overwhelmed with all of your fears coming. If you have the courage to bring peace over and over and over again, I do believe that by the end of this eclipse, within the next few days, you're going to experience something that you cannot even imagine. For some of you that are here since the beginning, or at least few weeks now that we are in these energies, few weeks. The amount of space that is made at this point is just phenomenal. There is so much that leaving the system to make space that at this moment is quite literally like we're wondering what God is preparing, because it's the full purge. It's the full purge. I'm guided to walk, so I guess it's going to help also flow. The purge is phenomenal, is never ending, and I do believe, like, for some of you, again, I know we're not watching news. Thank you, on my phone. Like, I know, no need for confirmation. Like, we are now watching news, not listening to the radio. I gently do not know what is going on this planet at this moment. It could be wars. I know that there is fires everywhere because I'm traveling at this time, and I'm seeing a lot of plane, like Canada. I'm like these planes that are helping with water. I'm seeing them, and I'm seeing in the sky a lot of smoke. So like I said, I saw this in my vision, like it was probably April. I saw all of these volcanoes, a lot of fire, basically so much fire. And so I'm not surprised at all that this is happening inside, right? It's so happening inside. This fire is literally burning. This fire is burning the shit out. Oh my God, this confirmation. Yeah, like, I love you, my angel. It's like, we no need of confirmation, but we love you and we love the confirmation. It's like, we know we're experiencing it now. It's just, what the F? I'm obviously going through the same, and I'm very guided to share this with you because I'm my own stage of consciousness. I'm going through a lot right now, and I love you because I know no matter where you are, you're going through fucking Jesus Christ. And I love you. I want to stop here and address my sincere love to you because we're on the same boat. We're going in the same direction. We're here to free Mother Earth. We're here to bring back love, but sometimes it's just so overwhelming. So, let's be very patient with each other and bring back love always. And this shall pass also. These two shall pass. I'm very guided today to think, because I guess this is the only thing that is going to overcome all of this chaos. And remember that you're so lucky. You're literally so lucky because there is a lot of people that are not quite awakened yet, right? And you're so lucky to actually be, right? You are literally awakened. You know what's the deal. I'm guided to go on the other way, so okay, let's just go. This is very important. We are awakened, okay? We are awakened. And this is because we took this red pill that we're going through all of this. And again, it is so overwhelming and difficult. But remember that there is some beautiful souls that are not awakened. And the work is going to start from the beginning. And it's going to be difficult. Very difficult, the way it has been extremely difficult for us. And I'm praying for them because this is the only way. There is no other way for the evolution of the universe. And we gotta be grateful, even if it's extremely difficult to be grateful at this time. Thank you, Doug, for the confirmation. We want to be grateful. We want to be grateful. It's so difficult to be grateful at this moment, but please be grateful. Because at least you know. At least you know. You're extracting yourself out of a loop right now. You are not repeating the same pattern. Atereyo kono no weya seya toro maya koroyo weya sara anata. Bringing back peace. Oro we ni ni yosho ukuru kunalara e oro umo watere yokoro ono no yoso uata. There is no other way. I am talking to a soul that have this habit to always think that it's going to be better over there, or it's going to be better over there, or if I do this, and it's about finding peace from within and embracing your fears. It implies that you're going to trust God. There is fear regarding money for some of you. You're healing this scarcity mindset Maybe you are wondering how you're going to be able to make it. God has your back. This is just a message for some of you. You will never lack. Okay? God will never fucking let you down. You want to take the risk and discover that no matter what you're taking as a risk, God has your back. And you're seeing the confirmation with the sun. God has your back no matter what. Okay? So this is a very, very important confirmation for some of you. There is also a fear of abandonment, trust issue regarding abandonment. Will you be taken care of? Are you going to choose yourself for speaking your truth? This is extremely important. Yeah. I'm hearing yeah. You will be taken care of. And again, it's reflecting with old fear that is now transmuting in the highest light. I know this message will find you because it's extremely important to reassure you. It's not going to be a long message. I am here in Switzerland. This is very big. I'm very guided to communicate out of this experience because I came here 2 years ago. For some of you that were here since the beginning of the channel, it was more, but 2 years ago I was here in Switzerland and I was praying so much. It was very difficult. I was praying so much. It was before my first retreat and I was praying, and the path from the beginning to now where we are is just so different. Everything is just so different. So I just wanted to let you know that no matter what you're doing at this time, no matter what you're doing, you will be able to do it. Again, I came here, it's nothing. 2 years is absolutely nothing. And in 2 years, so much happened. You see, I keep touching my throat because there is something that you're liberating at this moment. There is something that you're liberating at this moment. I don't know exactly what it is, but there is something. Did you hear the child? You are liberating the child from within. The trapped child, I'm hearing. You've been extremely trapped and you're freeing this because you are going to take care of whatever it is, materially, physically, financially, you're going to be taken care of. I just want you to come within and to reassure this inner child. I just want you to meditate on it. Okay. If you need some help, you can check my website. I'm offering very beautiful healing session recorded, and you can also contact me with the link below for one-on-one session. There is some karmic ties that need to be cut. I'm hearing. This is also stuff that you can find on my website. You are there, okay? You are there. You are there. Just be gentle with yourself. I'm hearing. Just be gentle with yourself. I want you to hear that. I want you to hear the sun. I want you to hear and feel the sun. I love you. And until next time, namaste. Just so 1414, it's success. It's guaranteed.